get it.
Back to another video. So in this video, I will be putting on the Kiss and Press On Falsies, the Voluminous and Curly set, and the goal here is to see how long they last. I will be putting them on for one night only, so we're gonna see how long they last me. Let's get into the video. This is my third attempt trying to make this video. We are putting on these Kiss Impress Voluminous lashes, press on lashes, and these are the Voluminous curly ones. So the test is to see how long these last, because a lot of people, I haven't seen any video saying how long they last. So we're gonna see how long they last. And I'm not a lash girly, but I'm gonna try it out for y'all today, okay? So let's see what I'm using. This came with it. And we're putting on these. I've attempted these a few times, and then you can see a lot of missing. So we're gonna use the curly side. Now we're gonna use volume side. So let's see how it works. I think they look good. Pretty cute. It is currently maybe 5 o'clock, I think. I'm not sure. Let me see if they last all night. And then I have to work tomorrow. So, we'll see how long these last. And I will keep y'all updated. Okay? Bye.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
It is officially 12:09. And this is how they're looking. Well, that's pretty long. I'm gonna try to sleep with them in and see how they work. We'll see. Good night, y'all.